I literally just picked up some Starbucks so I'd be motivated to do my hair. And hey guys, so I'm back. I'm like so tired, but I gotta get this done. I gotta get this done. We're gonna try to do a braid out, and I'm gonna take super small sections because I really want this to be defined. I need this to last for like 7 days. Also, this is from Hugo Natural. I don't know if I said this, but I love this. It's a little bit wrinkly because it was in my thing, but it's satin based, and you just put it over and you can like wrap your hair. I got the pattern Styling Custard. I swear it said you could use this on dry hair, but I'm really not sure. And then the pattern styling cream, I'm probably gonna only try a little bit of this because I've really been trying to stay away from like heavy butters and oils. So I'm gonna just kind of like experiment and see what looks best. Then, I'm not gonna lie, I really like the design, I love the Design Essential natural hair stuff. However, I do feel like I get more defined curls with the Doux Crazy Sexy Curl. So I'm probably gonna use more of this. I do feel like my hair isn't as moisturized as it is with this, but we're just gonna try it out and see. So I've been taking super small sections. This is what it kind of looks like in the back so far. I don't really like the heavy shea butter type stuff, so I only used on like 2 strands. I've been using the Crazy Sexy Curl, and I think I might end up using this throughout my hair since I am doing the little perm rod thing. I really want to use this, the Blueberry Bliss Twist and Shout Cream. She'll be learning how to breathe, spinning through as a deep conditioner. Okay, so I just used the Styling Custard on this section of my hair. So I'm going to go in with the rest of my hair with the sexy curly stuff, and I might even start using the rubber bands instead of the perm rods. She'll be learning how to breathe, spinning through identity, reveal another pretty little tomorrow. Okay guys, good morning. So I am taking out, not my braids, but I'm taking out the little rod things because I'm about to put my hair in a Hugo Natural thing before I go to church. So I gotta take all these out. By the way guys, I finally found my mic. I'm putting myself on a timer. Like the angels do, and you gon' make it through now. Tell about the healer. Greater is the one within, and call him as the leader. Teach her how to hold a pretty hand up to the sky. Never wait upon the giver, he'll deliver like a dealer. Take her higher. I know the parting isn't perfect, but if y'all just knew how bad I suck at parting my own hair, y'all would understand why the parting really isn't that bad. I really just wish that the parting was a little bit better. Me, after hyping myself up about parting, if the parting was a little bit better, I would literally just wear this out like this. But this is what it looks like. This is the back side. My hair feels so soft. That's what's super exciting about this, is that it really feels like genuinely moisturized. So that's what it looks like. We don't know how long that's gonna last, and I'm gonna go ahead, instead of trying to pin it back, I'm just gonna do my Hugo Natural thing. Okay, so I have my church outfit on now, and I just put this on so it wouldn't mess up my hair. I need to leave soon because I'm gonna make sure I get pregnant. I think I figured out how I'm gonna have to do it. Hopefully this does not look ghetto. And I gotta go to the hair store to get some pins so I don't. Some parts of my hair. This looks good. Hello guys, I'm back from church. It was good. Very weird going by yourself, but I've actually never made stir fry by myself, but church went really good. It's like a mega church. It's called New Springs. I mean, it went okay. It's harder for mega churches for me personally because a lot of the times, like, so much is going on. I'm just like, I don't know, they don't have a real pastor. there. Like, they have a pastor of the church, but he's like never there, and I just think that's kind of strange. So I am prepping the chicken to wash it, but I have to wash my hands again because I just touched the floor. I'm prepping the chicken. I'm going to cut it first, I think. So that's what I'm gonna do. I'm gonna cut it. Okay, so the chicken is done. I'm about to put this on it. I don't want to marinate it too much because y'all, I didn't buy a new bottle, so I still need this for later too. This also has less sodium, so I'm gonna just put a little bit. I don't want to do too much. Well, never mind. I could put it in the pan too. Okay, good morning everyone. I'm praying I don't come back to have gnats because I'm leaving my sink. Well, so this is day 3 hair. I took this out on Monday, but I've been having a really rough time, y'all, throughout this vlog. But I know God's gonna make it all right, so it's okay. So I just got done working out not too long ago. I'm gonna show you guys, this is how I stretch my hair at nighttime and when I work out. Yes, I walk around working out looking like this. So I kind of just fluff it like this. I'm gonna do the same thing to the other sides. This is kind of crooked because I just now fixed it, but and my part is crooked. I know I haven't fixed the part either. It's gonna be a tomorrow issue is what it's gonna be. Anyways, so it's just been looking like this. I really like it. I'm gonna have to fix these when I go back in to look at a mirror. So this is what it looks like, and so I'm just trying to like fluff it for the day, but I just wanted to show y'all what day 3 hair looks like. So again, my part is crooked. I'm gonna have to fix it. I don't have time right now. I have to leave. Hey guys, good morning. So I am at the school super early today. It's not a Friday, but I just need to pick me up because I've been having a rough week. It is now basically March, so it's just been a rough. Pray for teachers, okay? It's been rough out here, to be honest. I still need to take my hair loose, so I'm gonna go ahead and do that. I'm really excited because I found some worksheets for, and I worked out this morning. I found some worksheets for, I said I was gonna fix my part, y'all, but surprisingly, it still has some type of curl definition, which is great. It's all right. I'm gonna redo it in like a couple of days, hopefully. Tomorrow. Hey guys, so believe it or not, it's a completely different day. It's about 7 something, 7:31. I'm pushing it. I literally just picked up some Starbucks so I'd be motivated to do my hair. So this is day 5. I'm gonna take my hair down and show you guys what it looks like. I'll be right back. I'm gonna be using the Doux Chief Rocka. So I'm excited. I'm so tired, y'all, but rough week of teaching. But I'm gonna show you guys what my hair is looking like now. So it's pretty much like, there are some parts of my hair that's just, and I need to redo my nails so they look really bad. I'm gonna go ahead and start with the back because I gotta get this done before I go to sleep. I'm probably not gonna wet it. I'm gonna put this little bit of mousse on the Chief Rocka. Look at this, it smells really good, by the way. Okay. And I'm going to try to go ahead. And I don't want it to get too, my hair is definitely not as short as it used to be, but I just don't want it to get too raveled up. So look at this. Okay, so update, I've only done this part so far with the Doux Mousse. Try this for this section of my hair. It is 8, so I've only got this side left. Mainly used the Mousse Def on the front so I could kind of really see the definition, and I think I'm going to do some of the gel on this side too. We're just going to kind of see how it goes, but I'm mainly using the Crazy Sexy Curl because I know that one's going to hold. Don't know how it lasts, but, and I will see you guys tomorrow. I'm going to do my blow dryer so I don't have to go to sleep with it wet, But yes, we will see how this ends up going. My hands are literally cramping, like they actually hurt.
Tomorrow.
Hi guys, good morning. So I am about to take my hair out. I think I'm just like super stopped up. Okay, so this is the Negas Banda. All right, so I'm gonna use this oil just on my ends. I've actually had this for a while now, to be honest. I'm just using it. Oh flip, I forgot. I have a paper cut, y'all, and I just put that all over the paper cut. All right, I'm just using this for the ends of it.
Just tell me what you need from me. Is the Holy Spirit telling me? 8:01. Who you are? I wonder if you leave for me. God, just tell me what you need from me. Is the Holy Spirit? Eventually.
Hello everyone. So this is day. I'm so sorry if I keep wearing this in this vlog. It's my go-to put on, to be honest. This is day 3 hair, going on day 4 tomorrow. I'm gonna get into it of what it actually looks like. So this is the front. There is lots of flakage, but I can't blame it on the products just because I did have a time. How the back looks. I think the parts where it is really elongated has to do with the gel. Honestly and truly I do. Hoping this lasts me for a minute. I have plans this weekend, so I'm hoping it lasts me for quite a bit, to be honest. This side looks like, and just going back to the video to see what I really put in all these portions is important. Like this is super defined, can you tell? I feel like this is super defined. Going to the back, if I lift, I think I did the sexy curly in this area. I did a little bit of the mix of the Chief Rocka and the banana gel. And I gotta stop touching my hair because I'm like, you know, but I really like it. This is what this is. This is day 6 hair, and I'm about to go into day 7 tomorrow because I'm just gonna put it in puffs and go to bed. I might redo the straight parts. I have some parts that are just, you can just tell it's just blow dried. So I might redo this with the gel, but I'm gonna do a spin on how it looks in total. So this is kind of like how it looks in the back. I also have a clip that I'm gonna insert from outside. These pieces are kind of, I did slick this down with my gel for a church event that we had today. So yeah, I slicked it down and I wore my little things, as you can see in the video. So I'm about to do my hair in 4 sections to go take a shower real quick, and then I might retwist this part or rebraid this part. I might just do it just to see how it looks. Hey guys, so this is the next day. So this is now officially day 7 here. I've officially been wearing it for a week with no refresh or anything, but I'm gonna have to refresh tonight because I didn't refresh last night. This is what it looks like. I just like how full it is, but it is starting to get super tangled.